Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to reset your iCloud account's password when you forgot your password and are stuck in the sign-in process. Before moving on, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by going to your web browser and type in iCloud.com and enter. You'll end up in a page where you can sign into your iCloud, enter your Apple ID, and click on the next button. If you want to stay signed in, click on this box, but if you are using a public device or a shared device, make sure to keep this unchecked. Click on the next button, and when asked for your password, click on Forgotten your Apple ID or password. Enter your Apple ID one more time, and click on the Continue button. Enter the phone number that you use with your Apple ID and click on Continue. Now you'll receive a code to your mobile number. Enter the code that you received. After that, click on Continue. In case you didn't receive a verification code, click on Didn't get a code. Clicking on Continue will take you to another page where you can enter your code that has been sent to your email. Click Open your email and you'll see a code that has been sent to you. Simply copy the code, go back to the Apple ID page and enter the code. Click on Continue. And on the next page, you can choose a new password for your Apple ID. Make sure to enter the password, which is 8 or more characters long. Use uppercase and lowercase letters and at least one number. If you meet these criteria as mentioned, you'll be able to reset your password. Confirm the password by typing it again, and after you're done, click on Continue. With this, your password has been reset. Go to your account by clicking on Go to your account. Now sign into your account like you normally do. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the password that you just reset it to. After entering the credential, click on the next button and you'll need to enter the code sent to your mobile number one more time and you will be logged into your iCloud account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.